Oh, do it right, do it right, do it.
Anybody slay here? Do it with my mom.
Hey, flapper, flapper, flapper. Woo!
My bad. What snipers do you guys use?
Hello.
What snipers do you use?
Yeah.
What snipers do you use?
Hello? Yo. What's good, guys? Who's that white kid?
I'm a bit of a sweat.
No.
My hair.
Doesn't it, bitch?
Yeah, I know.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Wait, what?
Like, it's the fact that he sprays you with a minigun and then emotes as well. What a
What's your
pussy.
user? Wait, what's your user?
Shut the fuck up, baby.
No, what is it? Flopper?
Nah,
What's your loadout? What do you use?
fuck a
Not a
pump.
minigun. What?
A pump and SMG. You're using a fucking minigun like a bitch.
That's not me.
Bullshit. This
I'm
says
the
that you're
voice.
talking, nigga.
I'm the blue superhero.
What? Isn't in my edgy.
Oh, I am BM.
Nah, like your epic one.
Is this you kidding me right now?
Yeah, it is.
This kid's called Flopper just emoted. Yeah, I sure did, you bitch.
Right now, this is not even a bitch. This is
Whoa.